Yesterday I went to Chetwynd, picked up another dishwasher, a couple of over-the-range microwaves, some Keurigs, 3 TVs, a lawnmower that looks like, I'm assuming something is blown on, and I got 2 of these commercial dish sanitizers. I have no clue what they're worth. The guy said they were like $5,500 when they bought them. He said they were never tested or anything. They just they weren't working, so they bought new ones. But yeah, it's all stainless. So, but I'm hoping that Brody can see if they're, maybe worth somebody fixing. Maybe we could sell them to a restaurant supply company or something. Got those other 2 dishwashers. Oh yeah, I got this stove and oven that was dropped off. And in here, I've already gotten rid of the Tropicana fridge. Hopefully it works and he can use that. So I got this fridge here, another washer, an oven. This washer's kind of cool. It's like a Whirlpool, but a commercial one, so I'm assuming that maybe it'll have a good motor and stuff in it. I shook it, like when I was loading it, I couldn't hear any money, but I guess I'll have to drill that out or something, get in there and see if there's money in the coin box or something. But yeah, and then I got that stove. I'll get the cord and the wiring out of it and it'll go. And then I don't know what exactly this is. I know it's aluminum, but I don't know what I shouldn't say I know it's aluminum. I assumed it was aluminum, but now I'm looking and that might be steel. I've also got all of this stuff too. This I found. The I've never seen it, like, I don't know how old it is. Oh, it's Canadian Tire, so it's a Moto Master. But yeah, like, that's pretty crazy, the just plastic just breaking off like that. It's gotta be pretty old, I guess. So I don't know if I'll be able to put that through the stripper or if I just have to smack it with a hammer and get it all off of there. But, and then this thing is just gonna go in with the appliances. I can't think of what else. Oh yeah, that microwave I think works. So we'll see. And yeah, I found that. That's handy for, I'm gonna take it into the front there so I can move stuff around on that carpeting. But anyways, yeah, that's today. I forgot to add these into the totals for the month. I got this other oven here, got a bunch of it taken apart, but I wanted to save this top, but it's all smacked up over here. It's not, the ceramic's not broken, but I just don't know if it's worth saving something that's dinged up. I don't know if anybody had wanted. I guess if that side's in against the wall, it wouldn't matter. Anyhow, that's, oh yeah, oh no, that's, I think I've had that one for quite a while. Yeah, that doesn't count, that water cooler. And I think that's it. Those other 2 dishwashers over there have been here a while. They're not for this month. Just trying to keep track of everything so that I know for writing down on the MAR reports. Found this. I think Brody's gonna take that too. So kind of cool. yeah, these two are getting some time outside today, which they seem to enjoy. Nice junk, you jinxed me. Son of a gun.